Hi, it's Jim with Cyber-Recon again. We're back talking more about the Security Plus exam, and today we're going to look at a type of attack called a watering hole attack. So let's jump in and look at this slide deck. So this is part of Domain 1, compare and contrast types of attacks. This is 1.2 types of attacks, specifically the watering hole attack. So in this attack, this is when you have secured your organization pretty dang well. It's hard for the phishing attempts to work. It's hard for the hacker to get malicious payload to run on your site or in your network. So what they'll do is they'll target your organization and they'll determine where you go, where your employees go, where your organizational members go on the internet. They'll check out those sites. They'll check out your third-party partners. They'll look at other people that are associated with your organization, and then they'll target those websites, those organizations, and try to get malicious code onto those places. So they'll put, for example, malicious code on a website that your organizational members go to a lot, and what they're waiting for and hoping for is that your organizational members go to that site and run that malicious code, and then it infects systems within your organization. So really what they've done is they've determined that it's going to be too hard to break into your organization to get past your security defenses, so they've decided to go after one of your third-party member sites or a site that your organizational members are likely to go to, and they're going to exploit that. They'll put malicious code on those websites. Then they'll just wait for members of your organization to go to those sites and then run the code from there. And hopefully they will get a chance to then exploit your organization from those. And we call those watering holes because that hacker is just created a few places where they're just going to wait for your folks, your organizational members, to go to and then get the code there. So it's like a watering hole in say, Africa or something, waiting for the animals to come. And when the animals come, sometimes the predators attack them there. So maybe they can't get to you at your organization, so they're going to get to you through a third-party organization like a website that your organizational members like to go to, or one of your partner sites. So that's watering hole attack. Pretty straightforward. I hope this helps you get ready for your career in security or the Security Plus certification examination. Until next time, as always, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. We'd love to hear from you more in the comment section, and share with your friends if you would. We will see you next time. Be safe out there.